Hi guys, let's see how to track the last edited timestamp in a column for a certain column. So let's say I have a column and I want to track if there is some change here. I want to track that the timestamp of that thing is printed here. So let's say I'm changing something in it and I want that here the timestamp is written that when it was edited last. Okay, whenever someone edits, the last edited time comes here. So how to do this? It's very easy. What you have to do, just in front of that column create another column and you can add a heading like last edited so that the timestamp will get printed here. Now what you will have to do, you have to copy this script. This is an app script. I have given this link in the description of this video. Just copy this and just come back to Google Sheet, click on extensions, click on app script. Okay, now whatever is here, either you can delete it and paste it, okay, here, and once you have pasted it, save it by clicking on it. Let's try to understand the code and the logic behind it. So here the var sheet name is the sheet name. You can change it with your sheet name or you can leave it as it is. The main thing to change here is var monitored column. So here I have written 4. That means I just want to track the 4th column. If you want to track another column, just enter the number here and that's it. Now whatever change happens anywhere, it will just put the timestamp, last edited timestamp. Okay, whenever someone change something, the last edited timestamp will be pasted here, okay, within few seconds. Now you can change the format of this also. Just click on format, number, and click on custom date and time, and you can choose different formats like this so that it goes like this. So this is very easy. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel.